Hello, grade 6 learners. I am teacher Jonilyn Capalat of Santa Maria Elementary School. We are now on the second week of the third quarter. In this lesson, you will learn how to formulate the rule in finding the nth term of a sequence or pattern using different strategies. Keep in mind that numbers are not only used for counting or measuring. It is also used to identify order or sequences. One good example is the use of numbers for identifying locations and one's addresses. This also helps you in solving real-life problems. Let's have an example. Example 1. We have the numbers 4, 10, 16, 22, and 28. And the instruction is, we need to find the 50th term. Looking at the sequence, we can see that each term is 6 larger than the previous term. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. We say that the term-to-term rule is add 6. The nth of a sequence is written in the form n plus ? The number in front of the n is the difference of a term and its previous term. In our example, we have 10 minus 4, 16 minus 10, 22 minus 16, and 28 minus 22. All this give a difference of 6. Since the difference is 6, the first part of our rule will be 6n. The rule follows the 6 times table: 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Now, compare the 6 times table with our rule 4, 10, 16, 22, and 28. We can see that the number in the sequence are always 2 less than the 6 times table. So we adjust our rule by subtracting 2. Now putting this together give us nth term is equal to 6n minus 2. Since we already know that the nth term is equal to 6n minus 2, we just need to substitute n to 50 in order to find the 50th term of the sequence. 50th term is equal to 6 times 50 minus 2. 6 times 50 is equal to 300 minus 2, and that is 298. So therefore, we can say that the 50th term of the sequence 4, 10, 16, 22, 28 is 298, following the rule 6n minus 2. Let us have another example. We have the numbers 8, 11, 14, 17. And the instruction is, we need to find the 24th term. Each term is 3 larger than the previous term. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So the term-to-term rule is add 3. The nth of a sequence is written in the form n plus ? The number in the front of the n is the difference of a term and its previous term. In the example above, we have 11 minus 8, 14 minus 11, and 17 minus 14. All these give a difference of 3. Since the difference is 3, the first part of our rule will be 3n. The rule follows the 3 times table: 3, 6, 9, 12. Now compare the 3 times table with our rule: 8, 11, 14, 17. The numbers in the sequence are always 5 greater than the 3 times table, so we adjust our rule by adding 5. Now putting this together give us that the nth term is equal to 3n plus 5. Since we already know the nth term is equal to 3n plus 5, we just need to substitute n to 24 in order to find the 24th term of the sequence. 24th term is equal to 3 times 24 plus 5, and 3 times 24 is 72 plus 5. 72 plus 5 is equal to 77. Now, we can say that the 24th term of the sequence 8, 11, 14, 17 is 77, following the rule 3n plus 5. I hope you learn more in our lesson. Now, it's your time to apply what you have learned. In your Quarter 3, Week 2 Learning Activity Sheet in Mathematics, answer Learning Task 1. In this activity, you need to give the rule to find the nth term in its sequence. An example is given before number 1. God bless and enjoy learning more in mathematics.